Okay, so outline problems badges. Use badges for errors and warnings. So this is set to true by default. And we have a index.html file here with merge conflicts. And these merge conflicts, these problems will show up here, right? And these are the badges that the setting is talking about. If we set this to false, these badges won't show up anymore. Now, I don't care too much about the outline here because you can actually get to the outline by pressing Shift Command period, and you have the outline here. You can just navigate the breadcrumbs, right? So it's kind of redundant to have this here, and also I think it makes for a crowded file explorer. Anyway, this is what this feature does, so I don't really care if the badges are there or not, but if you do, this is what this feature does.